What is going on, everyone? It's Jack here from Nothing But Tech. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're talking about how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Thanks to our good friends over at theunlockingcompany.com for sponsoring this video. Okay, so the first step is going to be obtaining your IMEI number. So you're going to do this by going into your dialer and typing in *#06#. Once you get your IMEI number, you're going to head over to theunlockingcompany.com, where you're going to enter in your phone manufacturer, in this case Samsung, and your model, which would be the S9 or the S9 Plus. The carrier that the phone is locked to, and then also the country where the phone was purchased, entering in the IMEI number with that. After you do that, you're going to enter in your name and your email address, and then you're going to click Go. Once you click Go, the unlocking company is going to email you your unlocking code, so make sure that you put in an email that you're going to want the code sent to. Then, after that, you're going to power down the phone, put in the SIM that you now want to use with the phone, power it back on, and then you're going to be brought to a screen that looks like this, and that's a good sign. From here, you're going to type in the code that the unlockingcompany.com sent to you, click OK, and then you will see a screen that says that the network unlock was successful, meaning that you can now use your phone on any GSM carrier around the world. So yeah, it's really that simple. If you guys want to unlock your device, any device, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below to theunlockingcompany.com. Thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys all for watching it. A lot more content coming, of course. You should subscribe right here so you don't miss any of that aforementioned content. And you should check out my other content right here. Wow, I just said content a lot. Thank you guys all so much for watching this video. Hope to catch you guys on the next one. Bye!